Welcome children. In previous section you have learnt how to solve linear inequality in one or two variables graphically. We will now illustrate the method for solving a system of linear inequalities in two variables graphically. So exercise 6.3. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So first question, x is greater than or equal to 3 and y is greater than or equal to 2. So step 1, x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. So x equal to 3, it is parallel to y axis. So 3, we have to draw a line which is parallel to y axis. So it is x is equal to 3. And y equal to 2, which is parallel to x axis. So this line is y equal to 2. So step 2. So x is 0 and y is 0. So 0 is greater than or equal to 3, which is false. Again 0 is greater than or equal to 2, which is false. So x is greater than or equal to 3, which lies outwards the origin, and y equal to 2, which lies outwards the origin. The solution of the given system of linear inequalities is represented by the common shaded region. So the common region of both the inequalities are, so this part, so it includes the points on the respective lines. So the common shaded region is this part, which includes the points on the respective lines. Second question, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, x is greater than or equal to 1 and y is greater than or equal to 2. So step 1, 3x plus 2y, which is equal to 12. When x is 0, so put x equal to 0, we get 2y equal to 12, so y equal to 6. When y is 0, we get 3x equal to 12, x equal to 4. Now we have to plot the points on the graph. X is 0 and y is 6. X is 4, y is 0. So x is 0, y is 6. So this point is 0, 6. And x is 4, y is 0. Here x is 4 and y is 0. We have to join these 2 points. So this line is 3x plus 2y, which is equal to 12. Then x equal to 1. So x equal to 1, which is parallel to y axis. So this point x is equal to 1. And the next inequality is y is greater than or equal to 2. That is y equal to 2. So y is 2, which is parallel to x axis. So we have to draw a line which is parallel to x axis. So this line is y equal to 2. Now we have to find the test point, which is our step 2. So when x is 0 and y is 0, put x is 0 and y is 0 in this inequality. So we get 0 plus 0, which is less than or equal to 12. So 0 is less than 12. So it's true. So the first inequality is true. So it lies towards the origin. So we have to shade this part. And the second one, x is greater than or equal to 1. That is 0 is greater than or equal to 1, which is false. So it lies outwards the origin. So x equal to 1 is here. So it lies outwards the origin. So we have to shade this part. And the third inequality is y is greater than or equal to 2. So 0 is greater than or equal to 2, which is false. So the third line which lies outwards the origin. So we have to find the common region or the common shaded part in these three inequalities. So first inequality, which is true, lies towards the origin like this, and then the second inequality, x is greater than or equal to 1, which lies outwards the origin. So this part, and the third one which lies outwards the origin. So the common region of these three inequalities are, so this part, which is a common region of all the three inequalities. Hence the solution of the given system of linear inequalities is represented by the common shaded region, including the points on the respective lines. 8th question, x plus y less than or equal to 9, y is greater than x, and x is greater than or equal to 0. So x plus y equal to 9, put x is 0, y is 9, and y is 0, x is 9. So we have to plot these points on the graph. So when x is 0, y is 9, so 0 comma 9. When x is 9, y is 0, so this is 9 comma. We have to join these 2 points, which is a solid line. So x plus y less than or equal to 9. So the test point is, put x is 0 and y is 0 in inequality x plus y less than or equal to 9. So 0 plus 0, which is less than or equal to 9. 0 is less than 9, which is true. So the first inequality represents the region below the line x plus y equal to 9, including the line, that is, it lies towards the origin. Now the second equation, y equal to x. So when x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 4, y is 4. When x is 5, y is 5. When x is minus 1, y is minus 1. So we have to join these points using dotted lines. The inequality 2, y is greater than x. So subtracting x on both the sides, we get y minus x is greater than 0. The inequality 2 represents the half plane corresponding to the line y equal to x, containing the point 0, 1. So 1 minus 0, which is greater than 0. So 1 is greater than 0, which is true. So it lies towards the origin. It represents the half plane corresponding to the line y equal to x, which excludes the line y equal to x. So it lies towards the origin. So the common region of both the inequality are, so this region, and inequality 3 represents the region on the right hand side of the line x is equal to 0 or y-axis, including y-axis. Hence the solution of the given system of linear inequalities is represented by the common region, including the points on the line x plus y equal to 9 and x equal to 0, and exclude the point on the line y equal to x. 11th question, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4, x plus y less than or equal to 3, 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. So 2x plus y equal to 4. So put x is equal to 0, y equal to 4, put y equal to 0, 2x equal to 4, so x is equal to 2. So when x is 0, when x is 0, y is 4, and when x is 2, y is 0. So we have to join these 2 points. So this line is 2x plus y equal to 4. So the next one, x plus y equal to 3. So when x is 0, y is 3. When y is 0, x is 3. So have to join these 2 points. So third equation, 2x minus 3y, which is equal to 6. So when x is 0, minus 3y equal to 6, y equal to minus 2. When y is 0, 2x equal to 6, x equal to 3. When x is 0, y is minus 2. When x is 3, y is 0. We have to join these 2 lines. And this line is 2x minus 3y, which is equal to 6. So step 2, put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. The first inequality, so 2 into 0, 0 plus 0, which is greater than or equal to 4. So which is false. And the second inequality is x plus y less than or equal to 3. So 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 3. 0 is less than 3, which is true. And the third inequality, 2x minus 3y is less than or equal to 6. So 0 is less than or equal to 6, which is also true. So the first inequality is false. So inequality 1 represents the region above the line. 2x plus y equal to 4. So it lies outwards the origin. And the second inequality, it represents the region below the line. That is, it lies towards the origin. And the third inequality, 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6, it represents the region above the line. That is, it lies towards the origin. So the common region of these 3 inequalities are, so this region. Hence the solution of the given system of linear inequalities is represented by the common shaded region, including the points on the respective lines. 12th question, x minus 2y less than or equal to 3, 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12, x is greater than or equal to 0, and y is greater than or equal to 1. So the first equation is x minus 2y equal to 3, and x is 0, minus 2y equal to 3, so y equal to minus 3 by 2, which is minus 1.5. So put y equal to 0, we get x equal to 3. And 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Put x equal to 0, we get 4y equal to 12, so y equal to 3. Put y equal to 0, 3x equal to 12, x equal to 4. So x is 0 and y is 1. So when x is 0, y is minus 1.5. And when x is 3, y is 0. So I have to join these 2 points. So this line is x minus 2y equal to 3. So second one is, when x is 0, y is 3. When x is 4, y is 0. I have to join these 2 points. 3x plus 4y equal to 12. And x is 0. So then fourth inequality is y is greater than or equal to 1, that is y equal to 1. So y equal to 1, which is parallel to x-axis. So this line is y equal to 1. So test point, which is our step 2, put x is 0 and y is 0 in the first inequality. So 0 minus 0, which is less than or equal to 3, that is 0 is less than 3, which is true. So inequality 1 represents the region above the line x minus 2y equal to 3, that is it includes the line x minus 2y equal to 3. So it lies towards the origin. And the second one is 3x plus 4y, which is greater than or equal to 12, that is 0 plus 0, which is greater than or equal to 12, so which is false. So inequality 2 represents the region above the line which includes the line 3x plus 4y equal to 12. So it lies outwards the origin. And the third inequality, y is greater than or equal to 1, that is 0 is greater than or equal to 1, which is false. So inequality 3 represents the region above the line y equal to 1. So it lies outwards the origin. So the common region of these three inequalities are, so this region. Hence the solutions of the given system of linear inequalities is represented by the common shaded region, including the points on the respective lines and y-axis.